I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box of March. And while I'm sitting here, I'm kind of regretting my clothing choice because y'all remember this sweater. That's kind of why I never put it on anymore online, because as soon as I move my shoulders or my handses and my flanges, this will go up. So yeah, but it is what it is. Okay, before I open this box, I do want to remind you that the giveaway is still open, and guys, we are less than 10 subscribers away. Like, I can't believe it. At one point, we were only 7 subscribers away, but I kind of lost a few in the process, and I'm very sorry. So I don't know why y'all left me. I feel heartbroken. Come back, please. Anyway, we are less than 10 subscribers away from giving away finally that beautiful satchel, and then a bigger giveaway will start. It's actually a box filled with makeup-y and cosmetic-y goodies. So yeah, make sure, to subscribe. Don't forget, make sure to check out that video. Y'all will always see if my giveaway is open or not, because next to the title, like in the title, I will say open or closed. So, you can't miss it. Make sure to check out that video. Okay, so now I have to open the box and try to not move my shoulders as less as I can, I guess. In a world where you can be anything, be yourself. Fully agree with that. We have the booklet right here, and we have red paper on the inside. Say it with me, we're gonna rip it to shreds. Okay, open, come on. There we go. Okay, this is harder than it looks, but this is the inside of this month's box. Okay, what to start with? Like, I have no idea. It's a pretty filled box. Let's start with this, because this comes in a cutie little box, which is blue and light pink. I love those two colors together. Hair Bust contains nutrients to maintain healthy hair. Chewable hair vitamins. Oh, okay. 15-day supply. It's 30 pastels. Pastille. How do you pronounce that? In Dutch, it's pastilles. Strawberry and black currant flavored vitamins and minerals. Ooh, food supplement containing biotin, selenium, whatever the hell that is, and zinc. Okay, so far so good. And now I have to try. See what I mean? Look. Oh my goodness. But I wanted to show you guys what little boxy box looks like. So, oh boy. This is just a fail from the beginning. So let's see what they look like on the inside. Oh, okay. This is what they look like. And then this is the back with their logo on it as well. Oh yeah, they're gummies. But I will say these edible, chewable gummy things usually contain, usually the first few ingredients is sugar or syrup or something like that. So let's go to the ingredients. See, that's what I mean. The first thing is glucose syrup. The second thing is sugar. So that's the main thing in here. Yeah, I don't know. I'll probably try them out and see. But I had the, what was it called? The Ivy Bears. I remember I bought those. They weren't cheap, by the way. They were almost 20 bucks in the German drugstore. So I don't even want to know how much they would be in a Dutch drugstore. But it's a lot of money. And anyway, they didn't do a thing for my hair. Okay? Nothing. So it was a waste of money. Nice to see what this thing does, but I will say it's mostly sugar, so I'm gonna break out for sure. Anyway, Hair Burst Healthy Hair Vitamins, 15-day supply, worth £12.49. I'm just gonna say pence. Y'all know I can't pronounce that. By the way, everything in pounds clearly, because Lookfantastic is shipped over here from the UK, so everything is gonna be in pounds. Okay, up next, from another thing in a box, Madara Organic Skincare Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream. Ooh, nice. Cellular Biocomplex Physio Moisturizers. Sounds promising. This is what that little box looks like. Clearly, we don't need no box, and it actually said on the box, sample, not for sale. So clearly this is not going to be a full size. This is 15 milliliters, yes. And the worth is 35 pounds, but I don't believe, since it said sample and not for sale, I don't believe for a second this is the full size. Well, actually, it is pretty damn big, so it might be the full size, but 15 mil, it's an eye cream. I don't know. I have to check that online because it says the worth is 35 pounds, but I find that a lot if this is the full size. I don't know. I'll have to check it out and just see what it does. Okay, holy cow, we still have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here. So there's 7 items in this box. Wow, that's amazing. Since both of them were already on this page, I'm going to grab the other thing on this page, which is this. This is Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. Okay. Repair, strengthening, pronounce your words, hair and scalp mask. Okay, I could have used it today actually, because today was hair washing day. This is what that little sucker looks like. This clearly is not a full size. It can't be. It's only 30 milliliters. This is probably going to be enough for my big ass head for one use only. And it says over here, the Grow Gorgeous Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask is 30 milliliters. And the worth is $3.75. So, okay, this small of an item could be worth $3.75. Okay, up next is from Rituals, the Ritual of Ayurveda, and I actually have the little scent of this. Is it a body mist? I don't think it's an actual body mist. I think it's an actual scent, but you have like the smaller versions, I guess, and I actually have that one. So I'm familiar with this smell, and I actually really do like it. So this is, like I said, from Rituals, Nurturing Shower Oil, and it's Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil, and this is what that little sucker looks like. Absolutely happy with this. And I think this is not clearly, well, it kind of is a full size, because Rituals has multiple sized items, so you do get like a small size, but the price that it says on the small size actually is from the small size, I mean, clearly. So this is 75 milliliters. Okay. Rituals, the Ritual of Ayurveda Shower Oil, 75 milliliters, and the worth is $4.90. So yeah, I think this fella actually is worth $4.90. Definitely not the full size, because the full size, like the big tubes that they have, they're around 20 euros here in Holland. So yeah, I think the price is right. Okay, up next I see, is this Pawpaw? Oh, thank goodness it's not. Okay, because I have had so many Dr. Pawpaw things already, and I did not like those. So I'm glad it's not that. This is Bee Venom from Rodial? It's a cleansing balm. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. The Rodial, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. I think it's Rodial. Bee Venom Cleansing Balm. This is only 20 milliliters, and the worth is 13 pounds, and it's very, very yellow, because clearly bee venom. But this is awesome. I really do enjoy it. Okay, we have 2 more items. Wait. In the booklet, I only have 1. How come I have 2? Okay. I have 2 items, and what? Okay. Let's just move on with the last item that's actually mentioned in the book, which is from Elizabeth Arden. This is the Super Start Skin Renewal Booster. Not really sure what that means. Is it a moisturizer or a serum? Elizabeth Arden Super Start Skin Renewal Booster, 5 milliliters. The worth is 7.5 pounds. This is what it looks like. Clearly very, very small. But smooth onto clean face day and night before applying serum or moisturizer. Before? Oh. Okay. Very intrigued to see what this little fella does. Okay guys, and then, I don't know if this is a mistake or not, but I have a little spritzy spritz here and nothing mentioned in the book about an extra product. So I have to check out a couple of other people's unboxings to see whether or not I'm the only one that got this. If so, hey, I'm thankful, don't get me wrong. But nothing is said in the booklet about this. So this is from Bumble and Bumble. It's the Surf Spray Assault Spray, and I don't know how much it costs. Clearly this is not a full size. But hey, thank you for the extra, Lookfantastic. Always very much appreciated. Okay guys, and that was it. Those were all of the items in the box. I got a lot of items, and I don't know if I got an extra, only me or everybody, but hey, always happy with it. I love this box. I can pretty much use everything in it. I understand where they came from with this box because the 8th of March is International Women's Day, so hey. So I'm really happy with this month's box. Let me know in the comment section down below whether or not you like this box. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye!